Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. And in this video, I will show you how to create an FTP account in HostGator. But before that, I want to let you know that you can access my HostGator course within my university for free. Inside this HostGator course, you will learn things like how to get started with your HostGator shared hosting, how to manage your website and email account, and also how to optimize your WordPress performance in HostGator. Plus, you'll get access to my other available courses and also the upcoming ones. To join my university today for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's see how to create your FTP account in HostGator. In order to create an FTP account inside HostGator, just go to Settings under your selected website and head to Advanced, and under FTP Access, click on Manage. As you can see, we are now inside cPanel. To add an FTP account, create your one, give it a name. Let's say, for example, test. Select your domain from here. Give it a strong password. Make sure to select unlimited under quota and create and click on create FTP account. Now our credentials are listed here. To get, this is the username, the server, the port number, and for the password is the one you just entered here. That's all for this video. If you like it, don't forget to like it and subscribe to get more videos. Thank you.